Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a blinking yellow light on the Xfinity router. And it's really easy and simple, guys. Usually this is because it is having a problem connecting to the internet. So usually what you can do is you can unplug all the cables from the router and then wait a few moments, then plug it back in. Or of course you can go ahead and restart the router. Okay, wait for about 60 seconds and then turn it back on. Also what you can do is you can check for outages. So go ahead and check if you have any outages in your area. You can go to this website, or you can just search on Google Xfinity outage map, enter your location, and you'll be able to check if there's any problem. Also, what you can do is you can go ahead and wait for an update to finish, because if the router is updating, usually this takes about 15 minutes for the update to start and finish completely. And then if there's any interruption or poor connection, it can actually take longer. So you just need to wait for the update to finish. Of course, another thing you can do is checking the power supply. Okay, because your router's power supply may not be actually giving full power to your router. So what you're going to try doing is you're going to try unplugging your router into from the socket, put it in a different wall outlet or surge protector, and see if that yellow light stops blinking. And of course, another solution would be to make sure that your router is not actually overheating, because an overheating router can actually blink a yellow to indicate that something's actually wrong. So even if you think the router is actually in an open space, you want to check to see if there's actually dust or dirt which is clogging the vents you will find on the router. So place your router on top of either a cardboard box or hard surface, and this can actually cause it to overheat and blink yellow. And of course, guys, you can also check the router's capacity. So you may be using up the bandwidth and you're causing slow or disrupted connections. So if you log into the router's portal or use the Xfinity mobile app, you should be able to see how many devices can use your internet easily. And if you're using more devices than what the website or mobile app lists, then you can actually run into issues. So you can fix this by removing some of the devices from your network. And of course, what you can do always is, last but not least, this is a last resort. What you can do is you can reset your router to factory settings. Just hold this button for about 30 seconds and that will reset your router. That should usually fix the issue. And if none of these work, guys, you'll have to contact Xfinity support. They'll check your account, your router settings, and wiring. And maybe they might even send a support rep to your location, or maybe they'll try to help you over the phone. So those are some of the ways you can fix this issue, guys. So I hope this guide was of value to you. If it was, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.